Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. We're in Uptown Paphos today, and we're going to go make a very special video. We've been invited into the shop by this wonderful lady. Her name is Evie. But before we give you any more, we're going to tell you what's going on. Receiving the booth is there.
Hello everybody. How nice to see you again and again.
And again. So stick with us. If you're wondering where we are, this is the area that's slowly becoming known as the Pumpkin area. Just over there is the brand new bus station, and just over there is this rather quaint looking old building, and this building houses something that is completely and utterly unique. And the reason why it's called the Pumpkin area, the Pumpkin district, is because of that. Pumpkin House Art by Evie. There's all her contact details, there's her email, and there's her opening hours. Monday to Friday 9 until 7, Saturday from 9 until 2. So if you want that special gift, this is the place to go.
There is something that you cannot buy anywhere else, only here. There is something that you will come inside and don't know where to look in order to occupy all the items what she's got here, this beautiful woman.
Right, now we're going to enter the shop, and we're not going to start to scan what's going on to start. I'm going to take it right out the back because I want to give you a little lesson in showing you how this shop was created and how it was formed. It's a shop that's full of art, but let's get out to the rear garden and then we can tell you a little story and you're going to understand how it actually all comes to fruition. There's the lady herself, the absolute star.
Hi.
And like I say, we're coming out here because I want to show you this little garden. And in the little garden, look what's growing. Pumpkins. Pumpkins, 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 and more pumpkins. So, I think you understand it now. The lady grows the pumpkins, harvests the pumpkins, soaks the pumpkins, treats the pumpkins, hollows them all out, and then she bakes them, and then she starts to create her art. So the art is not something that she goes out and finds and buys, it's something she grows. That's right, she nurtures it, she grows it, and then she does with it what she wishes to do. Receive a booth for choosing her pumpkin.
You know, I can't believe it. First of all, the one doesn't look like another, and the second, they are so heavy. These little, how you call?
Well, little buds that grow.
Yes, holding such a heavy. Actually, if I take this and make a gym for my arms, it will be all right.
Working. That's right.
Yeah,
so stick with us. We're now going to go into the shop, but I think you understand why I brought you out, because I wanted you to grasp what's actually going on. We'll now get to the start of the shop and see some of these works of art, and they are pumpkins extraordinaire, and the lady handcrafts them and paints them, well, as she fancies. But obviously if you wish to commission one, you can. So you can pop in, you can actually go out and choose the one that you actually want, the shape, and then you can commission her to dry it out, process it, treat it, and then paint it in a design that perhaps you fancy. It could be a design with your wife's face on it, your face on it, your daughter's face on it, your dog's face on it, your cat's face on it, who knows? Or you might just find something already done that you like. Now, she doesn't just do that kind of art, she also does this. This is a pumpkin again, but obviously now with the top shoot has been chopped off it, and she holds it out, hardens it out with wax, paints it, and makes it into a bowl, and they traditionally use it to serve olives, nuts, that kind of thing. It's a work of art, and that's the only thing you can actually say that is. It's unique. Over here, some of the offcuts that she has, she then goes and makes earrings and bracelets and that kind of thing. It truly is exceptional. It's a shop full of art. We featured her once where we met her on one of the street trader tools in the harbour area, and she opened her arms and she welcomed us in. So we'll get to the entrance and we'll start to take you through, and we'll try and show you the beauty. And if you want one of these, please come down, cross a palm with a bit of silver. So that's what they're like when they've been dried out, and then that's what they're like when Evie's finished with them. And they're absolute works of art. They're very durable, very strong, painted with enamel paint, and once you've bought it, if you look after it, I can promise it, going to last you a lifetime, and you can even pass it down as a family heirloom. It's a true unique piece of art. It truly is. Now, there's something else I want to show you, because I spotted this on the wall. She forgot to tell us about this, but there's a little story on there. I'm not going to read it all to you, but it's about her grandfather. He retired, and they went into the grandfather's storeroom, and they discovered these. What are they? Well, anyone who's educated understands that's how a shoeman crafts his shoes. So there's all sorts of different sizes of them, and she decided to turn them into art. So her first idea was to put a light into them, and she painted them. And again, you can choose one and commission it, so it can be that truly unique gift for you.
And that must be the
and that's the grandfather, yeah.
Picture.
There he is.
Look at this.
So if you follow her story, she's brought the 1920s, which when he was operating, up into the noughties, into the 2000s. So his memory is still in vogue. And some of them are true works of art as you start to look at them. It's something that most people would never even have thought of. She's a very gifted artist indeed, and she's a very open lady and a very nice lady indeed. We walked in off the street today, and she instantly recognised us, instantly remembered us, bottle of water, sit down, had a chat. She speaks perfect English, by the way, and obviously very good Greek. There we are.
She's saying that she started to make something for Christmas already, and right. I would like you to pay attention
Look
of
at
this.
That one.
I like.
So again, going back to her grandfather's craft, she has taken it to another level, shall we say. And a great idea. She's also a very good artist in herself. When we look around her studio, we've got various pictures.
And have a look at this. Have a look.
There's
at
all
this.
sorts of things going on.
How you say it?
It's
Marionette.
Yeah. And you've got the chords and the strings to make it
yes.
work. Again, made from pumpkin. A very gifted lady indeed. So let's wander around the shop. These are pieces of wood that she has crafted by her husband, and then again she handcrafts them, should we say, with her art. Could be that special gift. And as I keep saying, it could become a family heirloom, because it will pass down perhaps through the generations. So it could be your memory to your children and your grandchildren. Some of these things are, well, way beyond unique. And if you want to phone her, you pick up the phone and you go, yes. There we are. Wonderful. Now, she's working as we speak.
She's working.
Yeah, she is working as we speak.
I start to make something for the Christmas.
She started in the Christmas spirit, yeah. Because as we understand, Christmas is just around the corner. So as you can see, here's some of the artist palettes. So she sits here with her little fans blowing on her, and she hand decorates these. That one's in the process, not finished yet. You can see there's not much gloss on it because she hasn't finished painting. Once she's painted it, she's going to gloss it. There we go. So you can come and watch the lady at her craft, as we say. It's a great place to come. And you can spend hours wandering around here. And obviously she wants your money, as I say, but there's a nice way to ask for it and not a nice way. She's welcoming you. If you're hot when you come in, she's going to give you a bottle of water. She's got a fridge full of Coke, all those sorts of things. She knows how to smooth the path, shall we say. It's a little Aladdin's cave. It looks very small, but when you start to come in, you start to understand that there is something absolutely everywhere. Cresida LaBouffe has found something.
But
there we are. Look at that.
This, please.
Again, I would imagine that's something from her childhood, that's for sure.
Look at this.
Work of art.
Look at this. Every single detail. Even she's wearing this lovely. This is to die for me. You see the shoes and the details on the shoes. My goodness.
Handcrafted, that's for sure.
I don't know. It's a huge value.
I want to show you something else that Stevie was showing me when we first came in, and she brought my attention to this. I didn't understand what it was to start with, and then she explained it. This was her first book for her to learn Greek in the mid-1960s, and then what she's done is mimicked the pictures that are in there, and then she has done them, should we say, in real life with a bit more colour. So you're going to find all of these pictures are in this rather old book. So again, she's brought something else to life. The lady has a gift. Not only is she the most friendly woman I've met in a long, long time, but she has a great, great gift for art, that's for sure.
You know what is amazing? I would like to show you one more thing.
Right, let's follow the Grisivia Laboof.
Yes,
She's found something.
Because I know that I'm a very strange woman, maybe for some people, but look at this. Look at this. It's again made, you put money here,
Money box.
and you take them from
There we
here.
go.
But look at this thought.
Yeah, the thought, and again, a great, great gift for that special child, grandchild, or perhaps a neighbour's child that you get on with very well. Some great, great gifts indeed.
Show those also, Mr. Paul. Those nice.
Now we have the Pinocchios.
Pinocchio.
So a great, great gift. Something that's been lost in time, something that you will not find anywhere else, and I mean nowhere else. So get yourself on a big bird or in a canoe and start paddling like crazy. And when you get to the old town, ask for the pumpkin area, which is across from the bus stop.
And there is some more Pinocchios in the entrance also.
Lots of Pinocchios.
You know what is amazing? You come in here and you don't know where to look. And every time you look somewhere, you find a new things to look. And it's amazing. Done with love, first of all. It's done with a huge love of the luxury Evie. She's got a big heart, and I believe that she wants to continue the business of the family. What can be better? Well done, you, and thank you very much.
Thanks, Miss Evie. Thanks very, very much. Thank you very much. So we're going to come and see you once a month because I intend to promote the life out of this lady. This lady needs you to come in to keep her going, and she deserves it. Yeah. The prices are very, very reasonable, very, very easy to find. You've got the big Bank of Cyprus in Uptown Paphos around that corner, and then just over there, that is the framework of the new bus terminal, and then just over there you wiggle and you waggle into the old town. So it's pretty easy to find, and if you put Pumpkin House Art into your Google Maps, that's what you're looking for, up it will come. And you can phone her, there's her numbers, you can email her, and her working hours, as you can see, Monday to Friday 9 till 7, Saturday 9 till 4. So those are pretty long working hours, and she does like to work in front of you. You want to hide anything, and like I said, you can actually commission your very own special thing if you're here for long enough, because obviously from taking it off the tree to cleaning it out, treating it, glazing it, painting it, all that stuff can take about 2 weeks. So you need to be here for a while if you want that. But normally there's something very, very special that you can find, shall we say, off the shelf.
You just
And there's some more
enjoying
Pinocchios.
the views around here. You just,
Thank you, Miss Evie. Thank you very much. Miss Evie?
well, thank you very much for watching. We hope that you did enjoy the views around this shop, a lovely shop as we did. Many thanks for supporting, for watching us. We're loving you to bits, and many kisses from the bottom of our hearts.
So we'd like to thank you for watching. Firstly, we'd like to say thanks for watching. Of course, if you do like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe, come back for a little bit more of our madness. And if you like these kind of features, drop it in the comments. If you've got a shop that you want us to go to, we're going to have a chat with them, and if they'll allow us, we'll make that special video for you. That's the building that you're looking for. It's quite an unusual, oldie worldy building from, well, a long time ago, 1920s, 1930s, and it's called the Pumpkin House Art. And Miss Evie, well, she's a star. Thanks for watching.